All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this Infinity X1 500 lumen flashlight that I bought at Costco for 29 bucks. First of all, if you need to charge it, it comes with a lithium battery that's inside here. If you twist this black sleeve, you've got a power bank here, USB-C, and a charging port here, USB-C. So that's how that works. Bam, done. So you can use this, if your phone dies, bam, you got some power in it. Also comes with another AA battery sleeve that you can get. Here is how you turn it on. And when I press this button, don't point it at your face because you'll blind yourself. So it's going to come on full strength. So take a look at that big giant circle. Now if I turn it, watch, it expands. You follow me? So you can get a super wide field with this. I'm in a room with, it's not that dark, but that way you can see the flashlight. Now you go back the other way and it comes down to a smaller field. And that's basically how it works right there. I mean, there's really not too much else that I can tell you. Let's go ahead and I'll show you the different, that's the brightest. There it is. There's a little bit lower. There's lower, and that's off. So you get 1, 2, 3, and off, and that's it. Now to get to the lithium battery inside, you have to grab this red part and turn it, and it comes right out, and bam, that's how it goes in. So when you're trying to figure out where you want to put the in or the out, this says out, this is the in, this is the charging side, right? So you've got to find the charging side on this, right? So what I do is open the sleeve, right? And then I look for the out, or I look for the in, and then I see what I've got here. That's the out. So I want the out to be right there. You follow me? So that's how you do that. So you gotta open this sleeve, see this? Open it up, look on here, find whether it's out or in, find whether it's out or in on there, and then slide it in like that. And then you can close the sleeve if you want. And then you can put it in here. Otherwise, you might be, you might be charging it wrong. So once you got that done, I'm going to show you how to charge it, all right? We're going to bring it over here. Let's move this stuff out of the way. And I'm just going to get I've got to get a block. So I've got some blocks here, right? But I need USB-C, which I have one here. So we're good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this USB-C, I'm going to plug it in here, like that. Then I'm going to open this up to in, right? Then I'm going to just plug that baby in there, just like that, right? So now we're ready to rock and roll. We're going to take this, put it over here, plug it in. And I just leave it overnight, man. You know what I mean? Now you could take the battery completely out and do it, but why? You know what I mean? I mean, that's crazy. So let's just leave that sucker right there and do it. And that's it, man. That's how you use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.